Hey guys, Pirate here. I'm about sick of this freaking eyesight. I had to open a Safari to use it. Okay, anyway, by the title, I guess you know what this is all about. Let me just go ahead and start it. It's just in a plain brown box. It didn't even say anything Nintendo on the outside. And when I opened it, this was on the top, and I immediately knew what it was. And so, freaking look at that. Isn't that cool? Alright, I haven't seen this yet. I'm going to open it right now. Alright, so I'll just cut this part here. And oh, yeah. There it is. Let's pull it out. Wait. Oh. Where to put this? Here we go. Oh, sweet. Look at that. There it is. Hello. I think this is going in either the cigarette case. Yeah, that sounds bad. Something you would want in there, right? Or I don't know, somewhere where you guys can see it. Wow, this thing is awesome. Paint is a little crude on Luigi, though. I don't know if you can see. They kind of got paint on his nose. But Peach and Bowser looks excellent. Yoshi looks good. Toad looks a little crude, especially around his feet. And Mario a little crude, but everything else, wow. This is what the bottom looks like. You know, you got your placeholders for the feet. Doesn't really have a year on it, but it's got a model number or whatever. But anyway, yeah, this is awesome. Definitely proud of that one. I would show you guys some pickups, but I don't really have very much at all. I managed to find me another copy of Coming Out of the Shells tour. This one's in better shape. So, update of my old collection. Oh yeah, for the boxed uforce, I got attachments. I came with the flight stick, or the T-bar, and whatchamacallem for the uforce, the power bar. Did I ever say that? Power bar. And manual. So, pretty cool. Other than that, they're all gifts, and I don't want to show them because people will see them. Anyway, just wanted you guys to show the unboxing. See you guys next time.